Hello friends, welcome to my channel Go Digit. Today in this video, I will not going to explain any business central topic or any concept of related to the business central. Only thing is that I just wanted to try one manual work which I generally do in my Azure DevOps, and what I'm thinking is that if through any way I can automate that work through this agentic AI concept in the VS Code. So, for example, let me open up this VS Code chat window. And in this video, I have not done this work which I'm going to present at the moment already before. So, I'm totally unaware about what type of output it will generate or whether it will be succeed in a video in this half an hour video or 20 minutes video, whatever minutes it will be taking. So I'm not very much sure, but let's start. So if I explain you about the work which I basically do. So for example, let me do one thing. I'll open one file in this which is called automations folder. So open. Okay, so currently, although it will not open because it's an Excel file. Uh, so if I show you that Excel file, basically, not like this way. I don't know the complete. So let me go to the documents, automations, Epic Info. So you can see from here that in this Excel, there are three Epic IDs I have added, and assigned to is the name of the name. Actually, it's my name only, which is against which these three epics are assigned, right? So like this, these epics id is like 34, 33, 32, and the name of the title of the epic. And basically the manual work which I'm currently doing is that for each epic I generally create one task, one child item. Like if you click on new item here, I'll select child, work item type should be task, and child item like this. Okay, add link and save and close. So what it will do, it will attach one task against my epic. So what I was thinking is that this work which I did manually, if you can say that currently I did for one epic, but in the same manner I have, let's say, 30-40 epics out there, and I want to create one task or two tasks against one epic, then it is a tougher job, right? It will take some time if I have to do it manually. So I'm thinking that if I will use the agentic capabilities in the VS Code, and just I will provide this Excel file, and it will just read that file and uh, create the task for me. So this is my requirement. So what we have to do is that, let me select the agent mode, and now I'll start my conversation with the copilot. I currently, you just think from a very uh, beginner level user that you have never used AI before, or you have never worked with any particular AI model. So how you will start working with the AI. So think from that perspective. So now, as I'm aware about my requirement, so I will just try to write down my requirement here, that I have an Excel file which have the list of epic ID and assigned to column, assigned to information. Okay, I want to create one task per epic, one task work item per epic in the Azure DevOps. Currently, I am doing this. Currently, I am doing this manually, but can you automate this? Let's make let's post your comment and let's see what it will give you. I will help you create a script to automate the creation of Azure DevOps task work items from your Excel file. Let me help you set up a project that will use the Azure DevOps REST API and Excel parsing libraries. Okay, let's start. So continue. I'll select this folder, automation only, yes. So yes, I trust the author. Continue workspace setup, yes, continue with the setup. Now I will help you create a Python script to automate the creation of Azure DevOps task work items from your Excel file. Okay, again, continue. Select the same folder. Uh, Let me. It is creating in Python. I don't have Python installed, so although it can install the same for me, but maybe if you have any other programming language installed and you want to work with that, then you can pass your prompt here that I don't want Python. You can go with the PowerShell or something like that. Like please go with the PowerShell like this. Okay, so what it will do, it is saying that I will read the Excel file using the import Excel module of the PowerShell, then it will which will connect to the Azure DevOps and it will create the task work item for each epic. So that's great. Let's start. So you can see that it has started creating the script for you. And if you read this, what it is saying, before running the script, you will need to set up free environment variables with your Azure DevOps information. Because in order to connect with your DevOps environment, it needs the information of your organization, of your project, and of course the personal access token. Let me help you set these environments variables and run the script. I will create a command to set these variables. You will need to fill in your values. Okay, run command in the terminal. So what we can do right now, it is creating an environment variable for this. So what I will do, I will just pass the name of my organization, which is, you can see here that this is the organization. Okay, so let me open the PowerShell and pass the name of the organization here. Then the project. So the project will be BC training. So let's copy this and paste it up here. And then this personal access token. So this is like, obviously you don't want to pass your password here. So you can, what you can do, that you can generate a token out there, which will be used as a password. In, if I say in a very layman language, it will use as a password in order to connect to your particular organization and project. Okay, let me name it as automation full access. Great. I have got this. So copy this and close this and let me paste it up here. Don't try to use this because I will delete this token right after this video. Okay, so continue. So it's done. It's managed to set up the environment variables. Now that the environment variables are set, let's install the required import Excel module and run the script. I will do this in sequence. Run command in terminal. Yes, of course. So right now it will run this command called install module, which will import the Excel module into my system. So let's wait for few time. Yes, package is installing. Done. So after this package is installed, what the script will do, it will read my Excel file. I will not provide the information of my Apex manually into the script. It will read my Excel file automatically available in this folder and then try to create a task into my Epic. So let's see how it will do that. As I will try to say again, I have not done this before. So I'm not very much sure that what type of output it will generate, whether it will be successful or not. Uh, but you can understand it from a very basic perspective that how fruitful the agentic AI in the VS Code would be, that uh, you just have to pass your information to the chat window in a very basic manner, and then uh, it will try to understand and generate the script, generate the script for you and execute the script for you as well. Right. I'm not sure that module is installed. Why, whether it is waiting for me to pass anything, which I don't think so. Let me keep this. So I'm not sure whether I think it will be it is stuck, but let me try to run it. Okay, so I got some error. Maybe because the processing is still running. Processing is not finished. Uh, let me say, let me go back, and if I try to pass any prompt here, that running the script, running the script is getting me some errors. Can you check the terminal output and resolve the errors for me? Okay, so let's see. Okay, it is now asking me to run the script again. And now it will see the errors, and the issue is that error handling syntax in the catch block. So now it find some problem in the current script and it is updating the script for me. So let me run the script again. So it is running the script again, and let's see. I see the errors is still occurring. Let me fix the error message formatting in a different way. Again, it is updating the script. So you can see at this moment, I am not doing anything. I'm just talking to the AI in a normal language. So just continue again. I see there are two main issues: Excel file access error. The Excel file. Okay. Let me close. Excel file access big process. Please close the Excel file if you open a DevOps connection. Environment variables are not set. There's a DevOps organization. Project name is incorrect. The pad token might be invalid or missing required permissions. Uh, Continue. Okay, so it is asking me to pass the organization name again. Let me first set it up. Keep. And what is the organization name? Project name, which is BC training. And I don't know the token because I did not save it. So maybe let me uh, save, or let me try to regenerate. Copy, close, and paste. All right, continue. I hope now I will not get any error. So meanwhile, it is trying to save my environment variables, and then it will try to execute the script again. I'm still not happy, although at this moment the script is completely not prepared. AI is working on it. But I'm sure that you have got an idea basically about how you can define your requirements to the AI, and AI will try to understand all your requirement in one go, and step by step it is helping you to generate the scripts. Now, because all this work which you are doing, obviously it is not possible for you to every time pass all such prompts, right? Multiple prompts which you are passing it, which I passed at this moment. I don't want to pass or every next day the same type of conversation with the AI. I don't want to do that. So what we can do is that we can provide a template, or we can ask an AI to create a template for us which will have the listed out all our requirements, so that it just check the template, understand the requirement from there, and then start working on it automatically for us. It should not ask any questions to us. So what we can do here is, I think it still stuck again. Can you create, let's say, task creator dot md file, which you can use as a template for this work? Because I don't want to give you my same requirements again and again. Okay, a very basic prompt, and let's see. Okay, it is still running, so let me do one thing. Let me pause and let me send. Right, so you can see that it understood my requirement clearly, that I need one file as a template which this AI can use, which contains the list of my requirements, and it just have to read that thing and start working on it, so that I should not uh, provide any manual uh, conversation with this AI in the chat window. Okay, so I have created a task creator.md file that serves as a comprehensive template documentation. Okay, let's see this. Yeah, it is asking me that should I continue with solving the previous error, so I say yes. Okay, meanwhile you can see this file, Azure DevOps task creator documentation. Let me keep it. First of all, this automation script creates task work items in Azure DevOps for a list of epics provided in an Excel file. Prerequisite: PowerShell 5.1 or higher, import Excel PowerShell module, Azure DevOps PAT, Excel file named, which have these two columns, then the environment variables, then Excel file format. What will be the script doing? That it should create a, it should check the Excel file, it should check the epics, and then it will run the script. This script it should run, which will create the task with this information, and in case of any problem is coming up, troubleshooting steps, and then the permission steps for the path. So every step, every information it has placed, and that is how, if any developer wants to read that, they can understand from this template, and if they want to modify any particular thing, they can do the same. Right, so that is how you can also identify your manual work, and based on that you can also try to uh, create such template like task creator.md. Okay, you can create such a template which will have the mention of all your requirements, and then you can pass this template only to this chat window, to this agentic AI, and it will automatically try to understand, read your template, read your requirements from this template, and do the work for you. You don't have to do any other thing after this. Obviously, because I'm currently building this for the first time, so I'm getting few errors, which once you resolve everything, then you don't have to work again. And let's say after task creation, you want to update certain fields in the task. You can again ask AI to update the template for your second requirement. It will update that and create a script for you, or update the current script for you and run that thing. Right. So in the same manner, you can append multiple further requirements in this template, and then only you just have to ask AI that read my template, understand the requirement from it, and execute the work for me. You can schedule it as well, whatever you want to do. Right. So that is how important nowadays agentic AI is, and how it can help you to automate your day-to-day task. As you can see from here, it is again asking me certain things. So I'm so sorry, I'm not able to show you up the correct output as well, because as I told you, I have not tested this before. It's just that I wanted to try my hands in order to automate this work with you guys together. So which I did, and I hope if you have already have an experience of agentic AI before, obviously you will not find this video more useful. But for the people who don't know about AI before, or have never uh, thought about that, what should be the right steps to start with the AI, then this is the video which is going to help you a lot, because now from this you know that you just have to do the conversation with the AI. That's it. Just like a normal conversation you do with the people, in the same manner, you have to do your conversation with the AI that please create the work for me. Please create, like, obviously, why, I'm sorry, I'm saying please create the work for me, but you just have to mention that I'm doing this work. Can you help me out? Because I did not say that generate a script for me. I never use that prompt. AI is telling me when I told AI that I have this manual work. Can you help me in automating this? It automatically generates a script for me. It automatically suggests that, okay, you have the data in your Excel. I will create a script which will read the data from your Excel and create the data in the DevOps. It automatically gave me the information that in order to connect with your DevOps, I need three information: organization, project, and pad details. And when I'm getting an error in the terminal, I ask AI that I don't know about these errors. Check the errors in the terminal and solve it. Right? And right now also I will do the same thing. I'm getting some errors. I will ask this in the chat window that run the script, see the errors in the terminal and solve them. Okay. So that is how you can continue start using this agentic AI in the VS Code. That's it in the today's video. I hope, I really hope that very beginner level users, you might find it a useful video for you. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel.